What is up, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something that's a little weird and out of the ordinary. It's going to be something called Google Reviews. So basically, for example, you go to Google, you don't go to Google Reviews specifically, you type in a place like, let's just go Eiffel Tower, and I cannot spell, so don't make fun of me. What is underneath it? Oh, it's not images for the Eiffel Tower. Let's go to rating. Go to Google Review. And then I don't want to review myself. Hold on. How do you do this? Okay. Random view. Sort by lowest rating. You want to go to the lowest ratings because they're the most funny. Great from afar, but I just don't bother visiting. A website awful. Tried to book, but not confirmational email. Long story. We missed the. I can't read this. Jesus God. Okay. Extremely unfriendly and incompetent security staff. The view from the tower is great, of course, but ever since the city closed, the area around the Eiffel Tower is a. Why do you give it 1 star? Unfriendly staff and expensive, though. I would rather skip a visit, and I would skip a visit or just have a look from the inside. Tourists just waiting outside for whatever. Screw your review. Annoying that parents have to carry their babies and push around chairs upstairs. Faces no longer. What? Terrible service, rude waiter, ham, cheese, toasted sandwich, had cold cheese, salad was soggy, expensive, not good value, even if it was expensive, will never have again, 1 star. Not my greatest experience. One thing would make it better is the priority line. I don't recommend it. I think it's overrated. It's beautiful, but there's nothing special. Plus be very careful. Thieves are everywhere. It is worth it. No, I will never go again. Never. Okay, I've never seen the Eiffel Towers. Talking about the one that's in Las Vegas. I promise, I did not look at the rest of that. I just read right there. And what's the difference? Jesus, I'm not gonna read the ones that are extremely long. Okay, just enjoy from afar. Too many people. You can't easily walk around. Too much of a crime. Too many tranquil walkers. Just like Mona Lisa. Her website purchasing tickets, I would not. Oh, Jesus. Well, I guess we're doing it down here. I've already reviewed the Eiffel Tower. It was very disappointing with my visit treatment. I would not visit it again. No tall, no like big pointy. Big point? Thought it would be taller. My friend stood on my shoulders and could almost touch the. What? I don't know what you're talking about. That's impossible. What? I like a compound. Avoid useless. You wish to climb. Better view from the gardens. Really? This was a big disappointment. After two security check, after 2 hours of waiting, it says a monitor at the top floor was closed. Well, I can't blame you there. It was a big disappointment after 2 security. Did he just copy? Or was that the same person? That's the same person. Beautiful place, but more robberies and theft in this place. Not the same place. Not the same place. It was 15 years ago. France ruined it. How? French icon of quest queues and bad information. Submit clothes for. I don't know what that means. Spoiler. It wasn't a rifle. Didn't enjoy it. Do not visit. It wasn't a rifle? Did they think rifle as in like, because people thought it was like, since it's Eiffel Tower sounds like rifle tower. Basically, that makes you confuse them. Just one more and then we're going to end this video because it's just pure stupidity. They really need to repaint the whole tower. It's not looking, it is looking old and ugly. I have 1 out of 10. Firstly, I have one thing to say. It's the same thing with Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty basically is old already, and people have made theories that the Statue of Liberty has fallen since it's been so old. It was around to symbolize liberty and freedom. That's the entire point of America. United States of America. That's basically, this is the place that made freedom. Like, when you think America, you think freedom. That's the entire point. And basically, you can't just repaint it. That would take weeks, and then that would take, like, around, 2 months. Because you need to... Firstly, people wouldn't accept that because they would book visits to the Eiffel Tower, but they can't change the time that they're coming. So afterwards, they're going to have to paint it, but they can't paint it that fast. Because when you book it, it's going to say, around, 2 weeks from now. But if that's going to take a month, and you're at the beginning of the month, then you're not going to be able to go. Because your ticket's going to be expired then, when you go to book it. So, see you Wolfpack in the next episode. Ow! Bye. No. Ow! Bye.